Happy Philippine Jockey Club PJC Sunday Mother's Day Racing, May 10, 2026. Meron hinandang 8 races at start time po is 3 p.m. Mother's Day Sunday racing tayo mga bayang karirista. Meron isang set ng winner take all, dalawang set ng pick 6, isang set ng pick 5 at isang set ng pick 4. Good luck mga bayang karirista. Let's G. Race number 1. Start ng first pick, 6 covers races 1 to 6. Philracom rating-based handicap system, race class 3, 57 to 70 split. Distance is 1,650 meters. Meron ditong 5 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, Bid for Fame. Jockey is AP Navarroza. Minamagaling sa Dazo. Second choice niya is entry number 5, Street Swag. Jockey is Eminem Gonzalez. Nakakalamang daw sa laban. Third choice is entry number 1, Dream Girl. Jockey is RD Raquel Jr. Magbibigay naman daw ng magandang laban. So dito sa race number 1, ito ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 3, Bid for Fame. Second choice is entry number 5, Street Swag. And third choice is entry number 1, Dream Girl. Race number 2, start ng winner take all covers races 2 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 3, 57 to 70 split. Distance is 1,650 meters. Meron ditong 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, Andiamo a Firenze. Rerindahan ni Jockey JT Zarate. Lamang sa pruwebahan, sabi ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 2, Pirate. Jockey is Pat R. Dilemma, mainam din ang pruweba. Third choice is entry number 6, Birchton. Jockey is AP Asuncion, pangsama din daw sa mga kursunada. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 3, Andiamo a Firenze. Second choice is entry number 2, Pirate. And third choice niya is entry number 6, Birchton. Race number 3, start ng second pick, 6 covers races 3 to 8. 3-year-old and above maiden race places. Distance is 1,300 meters. Merong ditong 9 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 9, Madam Edrea. Jockey is LC Lunar. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, maugong ang bulong-bulungan, pwede daw suluhin. Second choice is entry number 5, I Told Mama. Jockey is Boy TikTok JL Paano. Pangsama dahil Mother's Day. Third choice is entry number 3, Hiroshi. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Pag nagiba ng diskarte, pwedeng manalo. So dito sa race number 3, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 9, Madam Edrea. Second choice is entry number 5, I Told Mama. And third choice is entry number 3, Hiroshi. Race number 4, start ng peak 5 covers races 4 to 8. Philracom rating, based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,300 meters. Meron ditong 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry numbers 1 and 1A, Obladi Oblada, and Amor Mi Amor. Jockey is NJ Esteban and RD Raquel Jr. respectively. Ang sabi lang ni Carrera Outsider, alams nyo na daw yan. Second choice is entry number 2 plus 5 Cosa. Jockey is AR Villegas, kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Third choice is entry number 7, Brig Leftover. Jockey is JA Pastural. Hindi pwedeng hindi isama sa rota. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is couple entries numbers 1 and 1A, Obladi Oblada, and Amor Mi Amor. Second choice is entry number 2 plus 5 Cosa. And third choice niya is entry number 7, Brig Leftover. Race number 5, start ng pick 4 covers, races 5 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,300 meters. Meron 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Marengo. Rerindahan ni jockey JM Estorque. Pag nauna daw, GG na. Second choice is entry numbers 3 and 3A, Misha and One of a Kind. Jockey is AR Villegas and KE Malapira respectively. Parehas daw may panalo. Third choice is entry number 4, Everlong. Jockey is RC Simasio. Baka dito na manalo. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 1, Marengo. Second choice naman is couple entries numbers 3 and 3A, Misha and One of a Kind. And third choice niya is entry number 4, Everlong. Race number 6, last extra double at daily double plus 1 covers races 6 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 442 to 56 split. Distance is 1,300 meters. Meron ditong 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 4, Ghost. Jockey is JPA Guse. Sobra daw sa laban. Second choice is entry number 2, Sky Warrior. Jockey is CS Pare Jr. Pag nauna rin daw, GG na. Third choice is entry number 1, Batang Kankalu. Jockey is JT Pabilik. Kursunadang dehado daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice is entry number 4, Ghost. Second choice is entry number 2, Sky Warrior. And third choice is entry number 1, Batang Kankalu. Race number 7, penultimate race. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 442 to 56 split. Distance is 1,300 meters. Meron ditong 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 4, Saratoga Chrome. Jockey is PM Caballejo, lamang ng bahagya sa laban. Second choice is entry number 2, Money for Biffany. Jockey is CS Pare Jr., baka daw mapabayaan sa harapan. Third choice is entry number 1, Animo Lasal. Jockey is JL Paano, pwedeng makachamba. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 4, Saratoga Chrome. Second choice is entry number 2, Money for Biffany. And third choice niya is entry number 1, Animo Lasal. Race number 8, last and final race. Philracom rating, based handicap system race class, 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,300 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5, Reyna Margareta. Rerindahan ni jockey R.A. Bahse. Kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 4, Spaghetting Pababa. Jockey is CP Henson, nakakalamang daw sa laban. Third choice is entry number 3, Ginger Cat. Jockey is MB Pilahpil. Pangsama daw at magbibigay ng magandang laban. So dito sa race number 8, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 5, Reyna Margareta. Second choice is entry number 4, Spaghetting Pababa. And third choice is entry number 3, Ginger Cat.